Oh!
Yeah!
Every time I get it in.
Every time.
Amazing.
Good job. Good job.
We're here in sunny Orlando, Florida, about to give you one of the greatest property tours, maybe of all time.
Definitely all time. So we're in Bella Collina, which is a community about 25 minutes west of Orlando. This community is amazing. First of all, you have a clubhouse, you have golf all around, they have events, they have like food truck things going on. This community is ridiculous. And now we're at Vogel Builders.
Yes.
We're at their model home.
Yes.
And I want to show it to you. I think it's gonna be great.
Let's go do it. 4,500 square feet plus 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, completely customizable. But this is gonna give you a great example of what you can create. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. I love that these are all custom.
Yeah. And it's hard to find actually in Central Florida. There's a lot of big builders here that
Yeah.
kind of like, here's your 6 floor
Yep.
plans, right? But this community, this builder is like, whatever you want,
Yeah.
you can have, which is so rare.
No, I know. Someone's building like a batting cage up in that house there. I mean, you're driving through. I mean, and you've got the golf course,
Yeah.
you've got the 2 lakes. So
Yep.
like you said, it's all about that community. And then you get to have these amazing ceiling heights, these brand new finishes. I love that fireplace. And you've got these great open concept floor plans, right?
Totally.
You get to walk in and you've got that wow moment. It feels grand. The bedrooms are split, so you have quiet when you need it.
Totally.
In-law suite, den space. This house is 5 bedrooms, but a couple of the rooms, because 5 bedrooms is a lot of bedrooms, are flex spaces.
Yep.
So here we've got a den, we've got a media room / office in one
Yep.
of them.
A lot of people I've seen make that a full movie room.
Yep.
Shut it off, no windows, no nothing, just movie.
I would do that and just watch our YouTube channel all just
the
on
time.
repeat all
the
day
time,
long.
all day,
Yeah, my
every
family
day.
would never get sick of that whatsoever.
Never. I also love the wood beams here too, because it's just,
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
And so you pick the interior designer though that you want to work with.
Yeah, you pick the interior designer and they'll help you do it. They also have 4 or 5 floor plans
Yep.
that you can pick from, but then they can also set for a skeleton part,
Yep.
and then you can build on top of that, or like scratch it. I want my own architect and go from scratch for there too.
And you know what's awesome about Florida that I think the rest of the country still needs to catch up to is these homes are so energy efficient because you have the
hot.
heat. It's
It's
hot.
hot.
Like you are forced to create the vacuum seal, right? You were
Yeah.
forced to create, foam insulation. You were forced to kind of create these energy efficient ways of living, whereas the rest of the country hasn't really caught up.
Single pane windows
Yeah.
does the trick. No, here you can even tell right here how shaded it is. We were outside, we're sweating. Super comfortable in here, right?
Yep. I'm so glad I got that hole in one. The kitchen is deep. Like it's massive. I love that
Yeah.
stone too.
The stone's good. I love a built-in fridge. It looks like a cabinet, right?
Yes.
It's a real thing.
Yep. Gorgeous uppers, beautiful lowers. You've got this nice big island. You could fit more bar stools here too. I mean, they've just got 4 here, I think, for staging purposes. But if you had a family of, how many kids do you have? 12?
17.
Yep. You could fit all of them kind of around here, maybe wrap it around. I'm sure if I was customizing this, maybe I would even increase the size of the lip here so you could have a total open space. Because
You can make it deeper too, even add another sink, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can totally
and
do
I love with Central Florida, we love this open concept. So you can hang out there, families in here cooking, a couple people sitting there playing cards.
Yep.
Right? And then also you see this beautiful pool and conservation view too.
Yeah, the pool is really, really incredible. And you've got the greatest kind of juxtaposition between the indoor-outdoor with your loggia space, your fireplace, right? The outdoor covered dining, and then the outdoor-outdoor with your pool. It's got multiple depths. You've got your hot tub. You've got the turf too. Now that's something I see a lot here.
Oh, it's great.
You
I
see
have
lots
turf.
of turf, do you?
Yeah, because the grass, well, first of all, you have to mow all year, which
That's
is
true.
terrible.
Yeah, who wants to do stuff?
I don't.
Yeah,
I
me
don't.
neither.
And then there's fire ants. So you get the turf, you can have the golf course, right? It's easy, low maintenance. My kids can go out there barefoot.
Yeah.
They can hang out. It's great.
All year round, it's
Yeah.
awesome. It drains, it's it's perforated, it's pretty crazy. Now, when I first walked in here, I walked in and I said, whoa moment. And then I went into the primary. And
Right.
the primary is like its own, let's go, let's
Yeah, come on. Primary bath.
This is not a bathroom.
This is a full, but yes, look at
No,
this.
this is like the Amman Spa in New York City. I
know.
mean, look at this. The bathroom's so big, you have to have extra furniture in the bathroom.
Yeah, just a stool.
You sit here and you're like, you know what? I just brushed these teeth. Give me a second.
I'm exhausted.
I'm gonna get back up and go brush these teeth. You have a whole makeup vanity here.
All custom too, right? And then the chandelier is beautiful. And then did you see the shower?
I did. We should go in
to be
there.
awkward, but
We should. Whoa.
this
This
is
is
down.
Look at this. I mean, I wouldn't even know where to start.
No.
And they carry the stone all the way around.
Yeah.
Like this, listen, if you're gonna live in a mansion outside Orlando, in a community like this that has every single amenity possible, you have to have the royal shower.
You really do.
That's what
And
that
the
is.
stool.
And the stool, and the floating tub, and the linen closet. There's tons
And
of
the
closet
chandelier.
space. Oh, what? The closets! The closets! The closets! I mean,
The closet.
plural.
Yeah.
Closets, plural. I mean, you can totally do what you want here. Obviously, this is an example of what you could do, but you have the square footage. I mean, you are on one floor plate. It's over 4,500 square feet. And so you have the room to have a closet like this, and then a closet like that. And I like the way they designed and everything. It's very, very pretty. So many drawers.
Yeah. And in Florida, so fun fact, Florida doesn't have basements.
Yeah.
Right? We're on sand.
Yes.
So that with storage is very, it's high real estate to have
Yeah.
good storage. And this house has so much good storage.
Yes, absolutely. Although I do get nervous when closets are this big. Like I feel when I'm showing like a couple, like, oh, I'd love to buy this house. And then I'll have to go buy so many more clothes,
Shoes.
to fit in this closet. So you just have to be a little bit careful.
I like the argument on who gets what bigger closet too.
Yeah,
It's always a fun
I always
game.
walk, I go like this during that conversation. So the bedroom over here, pretty great.
It is
and also
great.
huge.
It is huge. The ceilings are, I don't know, 200 feet. How tall is that?
Yeah, exactly. They're high, right? I think this is at least 11 and a half, 12 foot, kind of in between the cove. You've got tons of windows, so you have lots and lots of access to your green space. You get to go back to the backyard this way, and you have a living room in your bedroom.
Yeah.
That's why I love showing houses here. It's like what I love being here, and I love all the TVs because, listen, we are outside Orlando. This is the entertainment capital of the East. It's the amusement park capital of the world. Right, so if you're gonna live here and own here, you have to be someone who likes to have a good time.
For sure.
Right?
For sure. Yeah. This is one of my favorite primary bedrooms I've shown, for sure.
It's amazing, and I think it also has like great presence. You know?
It does. It's also away from the rest of the house too,
Yes.
right? So you have your guests clear on the other side. Good night.
Yep.
Enjoyed you guys. I'm out.
Exactly. And then you say goodbye to those people on the front of the house. Let's go. The presents.
That's it. So, prices. We didn't talk about prices. So you could buy this house, base price with the land, right around $2.6 million.
Got it.
But that's with kind of no customization, right? So
Okay.
it can go all the way if you had that batting cage or if you had the basketball court. There's a full basketball court somebody built in their house.
Yeah, there's a lot of athletes in this community
Yeah.
as well. I mean, there's lots of athletes in Florida in general.
Yeah.
But it's a great community for those who are athletically inclined or who
Well,
just want to have a great health and wellness lifestyle.
For sure, we're really close to Mount Verde Academy, which is world famous for its athletes. I think
Yeah.
the #1 basketball player in the nation is playing there right now.
Is that you?
No.
No. Okay.
I wish.
Maybe the next
Maybe.
life.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's all right. Right.
So kind of like 2 to 3 million off the lake.
Yep.
Customized. You've got about an acre, but you can get a lot more space if you want it. I mean, you can go $10, $15 million here.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. There's so many customizations, even with the yard, and like the turf's all out here, right?
Yep.
Raises the price, but the options are unlimited in this community. Bella Collina, it's one of the best in Orlando. If you want luxury, but without maybe that huge $50 million price, you can come here.
I love it. Thank you so much for showing.
of
Thank you so much for watching. Anything you want is possible here. I'm Ryan Serhant.
And I'm Mark Raumaker.